Alright then, welcome to another video. My name is Zodi. We're going to get straight into it. So we've got another unboxing video for you today. Lovely. So we got a Hornby carriage this time. Now, I bought this a fair few years ago now. Paid $17.99. Still remember the price of it. Now, I've used it once, and because I don't have a layout, I probably pushed it up and down a little bit of track couple of times, 10 minutes, and it's sat in the box for for a couple of years. So it is more or less as new. So we're going to get straight into it. If you look on the front there you go, you got Hornby R4346A. There you go, so BR Maunsell. I'm going to butcher that name. I know some of you are going to be like, oh, what an idiot. But, oh well, that's what it is. 6 compartment brake, S379. Sorry, S3790S. So, excellent. So I think it's part of the Hornby's more detailed range, as you can see from the actual box itself, the graphics on the box. Just from looking at it through the little window on the front here, you can see that it is, well, it looks pretty detailed to begin with, and the weight is fairly nice. Other than that, standard Hornby box. There you go, all the usual. So we're going to get straight into opening this. Right, so let's open it at this end, shall we? So I got cardboard insert. There we go, lovely. Yeah, nothing else in there. Okay. So we got some alternative couplings. Okie dokie. What else we got? Alternative couplings. There's some pretty different ones there. Haven't really seen that type before. Not the pocket, but the actual coupling. That's pretty neat. Looks like got some more of those. I'm not sure what they are. Sure someone can tell me. And again, I'm sure one of you is telling me I'm an absolute idiot for not knowing. There you go, there's your little detailing bag. And you've got the main coach. We've got a little cardboard insert on the back. Right, so you can see it is actually fairly detailed. Let's hold it in the light correctly. There we go. Let's get it out of this plastic. Okay, let's take a look at this then. Oh, did something drop off? Sound like it, but no. Start off with the roof, shall we? Now you can see there is some piping at the front here, which looks individually fitted. I think the rest of it is moulded by the looks of it. Let's go to this side. So there you got the number of the carriage, got the guards compartment. You can see all the little seats in the compartments. We'll have a look at that on the other side. Looks like the door handles are moulded on. The plastic is quite clear on the windows, so that is always good. I do like the clear plastic. Sometimes you get models where it's a little bit frosted. Sometimes just over the years, sometimes that's just how they've actually been made. Okay, let's look at the ends. So there is actually tiny bits of writing on there. Let's try and get it close to the camera. Can't really focus it on there, but that is pretty good detail right there. And those pipes on the top, they do run down here as well, so they are still individually fitted. Got the walkway blocking doors. They don't move, but they're pretty good little detail there. We're going to focus. There we go. Got what I think there might be steps for some reason. Don't know what those steps would be for. The buffers, let's see if they're spring. Oh, they are spring. That is always an nice added extra. Spring buffers. The smaller, I think they're NEM I'm probably wrong, but the NEM type couplings. I know it's quite dark under here. I do need to get another light going. I think that should show you the detail on the bogies. Let's see if we get a bit of light under there. We'll be right back. And there we go, we're right back. We've got a little bit of light now. So there you go, that shows you the undercarriage. There you go, put that back on the front there so you can see what that's like. So the bogies are pretty nice as well, detail wise. Bit of underframe detail. There you go again, you can see through the windows there is little seats in there. You've even got the no smoking signs on there as well, which is even better. That's a better bit of added detail. The wheels, metal, and they seem pretty freewheeling, so that is good. Got another hand guard here, which is separately fitted as far as I can tell, so that's good as well. And there is the other end for you. And of course, spring buffers on this end as well, because why wouldn't there be? You even got the little window on the little guard's lookout, I think it is, so they can peer out the side without actually putting their head out the window. So, yeah, that is pretty nice. So let's just put it on a little bit of track and see how it looks on there. So we'll be right back with that. Okay, we're back now. First off, I know what guys are thinking. Zodi, this is not a professional looking video by any standards whatsoever. I know, I'm sorry. Even though I've done a few unboxing videos, I'm just not completely used to it yet, so I do apologise. Maybe in the future, if I manage to get monetized, so like 1,000 subs, that'd be my absolute dream, if I'm honest. 1,000 subs, and maybe I could start buying newer stock, do better reviews, maybe even have a little layout on the go as well, just do proper videos for you guys, which I'd love to absolutely do. But anyway, we're stuck with what we got. I didn't want to do a Patreon either because I haven't really got anything to offer. Although hopefully in the future we'll have more money to be able to do more stuff for you guys, so I'd love that. But anyway, we got it on the track here. Now I know the little light boxes here, it's just to block what's out the window because I don't want anyone seeing. Yeah, there you go, it's on the track. Let's just see how smooth it is. You can see that runs pretty smoothly on its own. That's with a very light touch. Oh, I think I've just discovered that the doors may well come off. I don't know, but they may do. I'm not going to force that off because I know I'll probably break it. But there you go. I'm guessing these doors might actually come off. Not 100% sure. That might just be me being an umpty, or they might actually come off. So hey ho. But anywho, there you are. This lovely Hornby coach. Now, like I said, no, it's not professional, but I do hope you have enjoyed it. Now, we're really close to 100 subscribers at the minute. If we reach 100 by the end of the week that this is posted, I will actually do a little giveaway of some form, probably a little 00 gauge wagon if we do hit 100 subscribers. So please try and help me out with that if you can. I have a Twitter and a Facebook page that I will leave in the description below if you want to try and join there to get up to date in the latest videos as well. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you have enjoyed. Please subscribe, like, comment if you really did like it. If you didn't, you didn't. If you want to, you want to. If you don't, you don't. Not a problem. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.